Hello students, today we will be going over 12.5, Triangle Congruence Criteria. This is page 251 in your green packet. Our objective, I can identify congruent triangles and give the congruence criteria. Here we have 4 criteria that prove triangles congruent. We have angle, side, angle, that's one of them. So if 2 angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to 2 angles and the included side of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. And it has to be the side that connects the two. So on this particular case, we could see that this angle is congruent to this one. Then we have this side congruent to that side. This angle congruent to that angle. So this is angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. And that means that these two triangles are congruent, okay? All right, so that is one of them to show that these two triangles are congruent. The other ones are side, angle, side, 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 and angle, angle, side. We're going to go ahead and jump to page 252. If you want to read through those other criteria, you can. But we are going to go right to one of the problems on the next page, and I kind of wish they hadn't filled in all of the rest of these because you do need practice with this. We may need to have homework on some of this. So, and again, I'm trying to make sure you can see that okay. I know there's light. See if I can block out the light. If I go over here, I think it's blocked out. Maybe not. I don't know where it's at to block it out. Okay, so it's number 3 on page 252. And we have statements and reasons here. So, first thing we want to say is the things that are given. What is given? And I'm going to say that angle J right here is congruent to angle D. So our statement, angle A is congruent. Oh, I meant J, sorry. Is congruent to angle D. Why is that? It's given to us. And this would be an angle. Okay. Next, we would say, after that angle, okay, so we're talking about this one. If we go this way, we go side, but then we don't know anything about that angle or that side. So we're going to go over to this one and say angle F is congruent to angle L. And that is also given. And that is another angle that's angle, angle. And then we're going to say the next one is side. Because we can say E, actually let's go with JL. JL, and it's a line segment, so we have a line above it, is congruent to FD. And that is also given. And that is a side. So to go in order, this is not quite in order, but here I probably should have started with here going angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. So we know that these are congruent by angle, angle, side. And again, it has to go in order. There's where I needed to be. I don't know where, but anyway, hopefully you got that. All right, students, you can do the rest of this. You rock.